This video will guide you on using the Gradebook feature of HOLcloud. The Gradebook can be accessed through the notebook navigation icon. The first section is the student overview, which shows student progress through the lessons. Each of the bubbles represents a lesson in your course. Click the legend to see which students have submitted work and need to be graded. The legend also shows the color-coded scores. Once a lesson has been graded, the bubble for the lesson will change colors and show the final score. This allows you to easily identify students at risk. The overview page also allows you to create your own grading rubric. Clicking the lesson title will expand it to show the questions in the lesson. Each question has a default of 1 point. Adjust the points by typing over it, or use the up and down arrows to adjust the points. Please note, only whole numbers can be used. Click Save for your changes to take effect. When this course is cloned for the next semester, Gradebook weights can be carried over. There are 2 different methods of grading. The first is grade by student. Click the student name to be graded. Use the drop-down menu at the top right to toggle between students. HOL's Premium option includes auto-graded questions in the Exploration and Evaluation Competency Review. The brown circles indicate that the student has submitted their work and it's ready to be graded. Click a lesson title to begin grading, and then click each section to see what has been auto-graded if the course is premium. The check mark indicates that question has been graded. You can click the auto-graded questions to see how the student performed. You will need to grade the experimentation of each lesson, and if your course has premium, the evaluation extension questions. Click on the section and subsection to be graded. The HOL sample answer will appear first, followed by the student answer. You can assign a grade for each question using the up and down arrows, or type in the grade, including fractions of a point, as well as provide feedback to the student. Be sure to click Save for each question. Please note that you must also click Save to register a score of 0 to show that the question has been graded. Once all subsections are graded, the score will appear for that section. The second method is to grade by lesson. You can either click the lesson and any of its questions on the overview page, or within the student grading, click the lesson title and then click the Grade by Lesson orange button. Use the drop-down menu at the top right to toggle between lessons. Each lesson will include a grading status. Again, if your course is premium, then it will include additional auto-graded sections. Click a section to begin grading and wait for all questions with sample answers to load. Point values can be changed from this page by clicking Edit, changing the value, and then saving. The students are listed below the last question. Each bubble represents a question. Click a green bubble next to a student's name to grade the question. The student answer will appear below their name. Assign a point value, add feedback if desired, and click Save. You will now see the bubble updated to the score. Click the green bubble for the next student to continue grading the same question. Please note that clicking on the student name will revert back to grading by student, so be sure to always click the green bubbles. Information included in this video, as well as step-by-step instructions, can be found in our HOLcloud Procedures software manual for instructors. Please contact us to receive your copy. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information will always be on the top of the page for you and your students. Thank you for choosing Hands-On Labs.